Hello, this is a conceptual difference between XLOOKUP and VLOOKUP. Please like, subscribe, and share with anyone who needs to know the difference between XLOOKUP and VLOOKUP. The ending will shock you. So please listen to the entire video. If you want to know more, please let me know in the comments. Here we go. Okay, let's talk about a classic Excel problem. Trying to combine two different lists of information. You know the drill, right? You've got some info here, and the rest of what you need is over there. Like trying to match a member's last name from one sheet to their workshop sign-up on another. The lookup function. To do this, you need what's called a lookup function. It searches for a match, then grabs the data for you. The veteran. For years, the go-to tool for this job has been the famous, or maybe infamous, VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP asks, what am I looking for? Where's the table, and which column number do you want back? But oh boy, it has some frustrating limits that can really break your formulas. So let's meet the modern hero, XLOOKUP. It was designed specifically to fix VLOOKUP's flaws. Its logic is just way more direct. You tell it exactly which column to search and which one to return. And it turns out, this one simple change makes all the difference in the world. Key advantages. First off, XLOOKUP defaults to an exact match. That's huge because it prevents the most common VLOOKUP error. Now, here is VLOOKUP's biggest weakness. It has a major blind spot. It is physically incapable of looking to its left for an answer. Seriously. And this shows it all. VLOOKUP just fails. But for XLOOKUP, yeah, no problem at all. Okay, what about when the thing you're looking for just isn't there? VLOOKUP just spits out a confusing error. XLOOKUP, though, lets you write your own helpful message. So instead of that ugly error code, your sheet can say something clear and useful, just like this. Plus, XLOOKUP is just plain safer. Adding or removing columns won't suddenly break your formula. So when you look at the features that really matter most, well, XLOOKUP is the clear winner. With all these advantages, you've got to ask, does the old VLOOKUP still have a place? Well, there's one big reason: compatibility. XLOOKUP only works in the newer versions of Excel. So here's the takeaway. For any new spreadsheet, just start with XLOOKUP. It's simply better. Now you know the modern way to connect your data. Go put that new Excel superpower to work.